Day 50, becoming financially free, testing side hustles.
I received this email, the difference between promoting affiliate products and running a real business. Check this out, 359,000 emails. And I have 944 contacts.
Many marketers focus on only promoting affiliate products. But if you want to have a successful affiliate business, you need to build your own email list.
Because you can promote multiple products to the same email list. For example, the first email could be to promote a high-ticket product. If you go to Google, you can find what are the best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. And you can do your own research to promote the product you want. The next product will be a software to create funnels. I use ClickFunnels to build my funnels. And you can become an affiliate as well. Let me show you. So this is the page to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. The software number 2 could be an email marketing software. I use GetResponse to store my contacts and to do email marketing. And I can promote, for example, my YouTube videos and my Facebook group and also affiliate products. Also, I use GetResponse for my automation workflows. Let me show you. When people subscribe to this list, Freedom Accelerator via any method, GetResponse is going to send these emails automatically. Then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send the message number 2. And I can add multiple emails to promote multiple products here. The software number 3 could be TubeBuddy. I use TubeBuddy to do keyword research for my YouTube channel.
And this software helps me to know if the keyword that I'm going to use in my title is going to help rank in the first spots.
And you can build these entire ecosystems of products to make commissions online.
But more importantly, you are growing your own audience and you are helping people by promoting excellent products. Now, let me show you where did I learn all this stuff.
I bought these 2 trainings, the 72-hour challenge and the Freedom Accelerator program. The price of this one is $9 and Freedom Accelerator is $14.97. The first lesson of the 72-hour challenge is the Freedom to Roadmap, which is like an introduction about affiliate marketing. But in the second day, Jonathan explained how to build an automated sales system. And here we have 2 options. We can use ClickFunnels or System.io. And in that lesson, he explains how to use the funnels to collect emails and how to build the automation workflows. And in day number 3, he explained the 3 secret traffic methods for fast results.
Once you have built all the systems, the next step is to drive traffic to the funnel. Now, Freedom Accelerator is a more in-depth training. Check this out.
For example, in the phase 1, we have all these lessons and we can use Jonathan's A/B map. So these are basically the products that Jonathan is promoting. And also we have A/B maps for the health and fitness niche, the crypto niche, and the real estate niche. In addition, he explained more in depth how to build this automated sales system using ClickFunnels or System.io and also some secret email formulas. He has a module in which he explains how to create these 5 and 15 second short form videos, how to create Facebook Reels, and how to close sales, high ticket sales using DM. It has this module about how to use YouTube for collecting leads. And in phase 3, he explained how to build an irresistible offer so we can increase conversions.
So one of the main things to succeed with affiliate marketing is to build your own email list. And you can do that by creating a funnel, driving traffic to that funnel, giving a ebook or a course to all the people who subscribe to your list. Now, let me show you the traffic sources I'm using for affiliate marketing.
I'm using TikTok and I'm creating content. I have these simple videos about the things that I'm learning. Also, I have a YouTube channel in which I'm documenting my journey. I have created an article about Freedom Accelerator, which is ranking in the first page on Google.
As you can see, guys, it takes time, hard work, and effort. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.